Are you looking to scale up your production after a successful prototype? Keep watching. We will show you effective ways to do so. In this video, we'll go over the three-step process to upscale your adhesive, as well as when the right time to scale up is. Scaling will take rigorous planning with you and your converter to make sure scaling up runs successfully. The three steps to scale up your adhesive production are to optimize adhesive design, considering material intolerance adaptability, and increasing production volume. It's important to consider that if your adhesive was set up to run on a small scale, it doesn't mean that it's going to run as effectively when you move to a higher production. Your manufacturing process can impact how you're going to scale. For example, if you're using laser for your small scale production, it doesn't necessarily mean that it will scale accordingly for a larger production. We may decide to look into rotary or flatbed cutting to scale your project. If you change production methods, we'll need to work with you to ensure that your tolerances are met. As we scale your product through production, for example, from laser to die cutting process, we might have to change some of the tolerances in order to make it work more effectively. It's important when you start scaling that you hit the same tolerances. Depending on the complexity of your design, die cut tools may vary in price. A $10,000 tool set doesn't make sense if you plan to only make a few hundred parts. But if you plan to scale up in the future, buying this tool set now may make sense. Using the right equipment will eliminate the need to replace smaller or cheaper tools down the line. Ideally, when working with the converter, you will only pay once for tooling. You may be wondering, when is the right time to scale? We recommend that you plan to scale before your first production run. This allows your converter to offer suggestions on scaling and help choose your tolerances. Planning this early in the process will allow you to scale easier further down the line. When scaling your production, it's important to address all three steps and work with your converter from the beginning. If you have any more questions, feel free to visit our Learning Center on our website, or feel free to contact us directly. Thanks for watching.